Hello, my name is Asbidyarthy. I have been into the IT industry for more than 10 years. My core expertise and specializations are developing dashboards using BI tools such as Power BI, Looker Studio, Grafana, Kibana, Tableau, or any existing BI tools. I'm also specialized in developing dashboards using D3.js, React.js, Node.js, Python, and using robust technologies. Those are mainly required to develop dashboards. If you have any dashboard requirements for your business, for your marketing purpose, or for your campaigns, such as local service ads, Google local service ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, anything where you would like to track your campaigns, please let me know. I can assist you to track your campaign data into a nice and storytelling dashboards. Thank you.